Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, click on Additional Settings and go into Keyboard and Input Method. Then select keyboard that you're currently using and tap on Theme. Choose the plus sign under My Themes and select the photo that you want to apply. Now you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!